ultra-wide for more dynamic shots and...
No notch, no interruption. The Galaxy S10 Plus has a cinematic display that makes it feel like you're at the movies. With Quad HD Plus resolution and HDR10 Plus dynamic tone mapping, every color, shade and shadow work together to give you a lifelike viewing experience. The Galaxy S10 Plus delivers vault-like security, so you'll have peace of mind knowing your personal data is safe. Samsung's first ever in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor uses ultrasonic waves and machine learning to read the unique ridges of your finger. Try it out. Place your finger on the icon to unlock the device. With the Galaxy S10 Plus, you've got a full kit of lenses to choose from, including zoom for close-up details, wide for your daily moments, and ultra-wide for more dynamic shots and group photos. To try the different lenses, tap the icons. The Galaxy S10 Plus comes with a 24-hour intelligent battery to help you power through the entire day. It closes apps you don't need, proactively manages power saving mode, and optimizes CPU power. It learns your daily routines and patterns and intelligently adapts to your needs to help you get through the day without recharging. The Galaxy S10 Plus's 24-hour intelligent battery uses power so efficiently, you'll have extra to share with friends. Now when your friends need a little more battery to call that rideshare after dinner, you can save the day with a quick device-to-device charge, no wires or outlets required. And it also works with other wireless-enabled charging devices.